The Artist's Way Basic Principles. 1. Creativity is the natural order of life. Life is energy, pure creative energy. 2. There is an underlying, indwelling creative force infusing all of life, including ourselves. 3. When we open ourselves to our creativity, we open ourselves to the Creator's creativity within us and our lives. 4. We are ourselves creations, and we, in turn, are meant to continue creativity by being creative ourselves. 5. Creativity is the creative energy's gift to us. Using our creativity is our gift back to the creative source. 6. The refusal to be creative is self-will, and it is counter to our true nature. 7. When we open ourselves to exploring our creativity, we open ourselves to God, good, orderly direction. 8. As we open our creative channel to the Creator, many gentle but powerful changes are to be expected. 9. It is safe to open ourselves up to greater and greater creativity. 10. Our creative dreams and yearnings come from a divine source. As we move towards our dreams, we move towards our divinity.